This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, let's take a look at the gold market. On the gold market the situation is changing slowly. So you can see market, in fact the whole week stands in the tight range and it's calling above the weekly pivot point. So that is the moderately bullish context, since market holds above the broken highs as we have discussed previously, and actually we were ready for even deeper retracement to an area around 1340 area. So retesting of this swing high or testing of the weekly pivot support one, but market now stands in much tighter range and higher than even broken highs. But that doesn't mean that market will not be able to reach this area. So I can't exclude that market could show some complete the intraday pattern, and only after that will start to be a deeper retracement. That is also possible. Well, in general, our major moment here is to watch for market behavior around this broken top around 1340 area, because that is our crucial level and we do not want to see that market will return right back below it, because in this case the bullish context, the bullish development will be not as cloudless as it stands now. Well, on the intraday charts, in general we could say that here as market stands in tight range, this is some sort of the contraction of the market. So market is building in energy, and very often after the consolidation some development should follow. On the 4-hour time frame we see the pattern that we have discussed. This market now stands in progress with it. As market has failed to create the new low below this low and complete this ABCD pattern, so we think well, previously we have discussed this moment that the simplest way to show the retracement could become the ABCD pattern to the downside, but that hasn't happened, and market, instead of the continuation to the downside to the 1340 area, instead of that just stopped here and now is forming this butterfly. That's why I said that it's possible that market could, for instance, complete the butterfly first and start the retracement downside. That is also possible because this is the gold market, guys. The gold market, anything could happen. If butterfly will fail, then in this case we should be ready for the upward continuation, because the butterfly is such sort of the pattern that usually fails miserably. It means that if butterfly fails, the market usually go in the direction of the failure. In our case this will be to the upside. So the first moment in our trading plan is the watching for the butterfly. The second, watching for its completion point. It's around 1393, 1394 area, and watch whether market will start retracement after that to the area around 1340 area. Well, on the hourly time frame, this also could be treated as the consolidation, sideways consolidation just yet, because market hasn't taken out these highs and these highs yet, so butterfly easily could shift to the some sideways action. And in general, as we said, on the daily time frame, market is just going around. Well, such sort of the consolidations in the gold market is very often happens. I mean that initially market shows some greater high and then stands in some range of this swing. So if I will contract the chart a bit, you'll see this. Here, for example, greater high, market later calling around, then choosing the direction either to the downside or to the upside. Here's also was same development. Sorry, high development, wash and rinse, trend to the downside. So that's very typical consolidation for the gold market, when the market initially creates some greater swing up and then stands inside of it. Well, in such environment it's better to stick with a particular pattern, and we have this pattern. This is the butterfly on the 4-hour time frame. Let's see what will happen. In fact, our major destination is to see either the butterfly failure, if market will exceed these highs, exceed the target of the butterfly above the 1395 area, and we'll continue to move higher. In this case, we will start to search opportunities to enter long, and probably this will be not very difficult to do because gold market likes to retest the broken consolidations. This very often happens on the gold market. Well, or if market will start move to the downside, then probably the retracement that we are expecting currently to the near around 1340 still could appear. Well, that's why the current situation is very significant for the medium-term development of the gold market. In general context is bullish. The major question is just how market will continue this upward action, either by just straight to the upside, we'll break this consolidation and continue move higher, or we still will get the retracement and the upward action will be reestablished after that retracement. That will depend on how market will respond on the butterfly target in the area around 1395, as I said. So let's see what will happen, and let's continue to monitor the gold market.